Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT. Tag away, tag everything. Do I look happy right now? Because I am. Why? Today, I just reached 1,000 subscribers. Finally, the day has come. It's been a while, man, since I uploaded the first video. Yeah, back in 2012. Yeah, finally. Thank you so much for all the support. And I'll be doing a Q&A video for my 1K subscriber special. So if you got any question you want to ask me, just leave the comment down in the comment section below on this video, or go to my Instagram and leave some comment there. Let me know what kind of question you want to ask me, or DM me. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get monetized, all the process step by step in this video. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So right now we are on my monetization page, YouTube Studio. So you can go to your YouTube Studio and Monetization tab, and you will see this blue apply now. So in order to get this blue apply now, you have to reach the requirement, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch hour. Okay, so I reached both requirements, so I'll get this apply now. Before that, you will get like a notified email, something like that. Yeah, I did click that, but I still haven't received the email from YouTube yet. Maybe some delay. I'm not gonna wait for that. I'm just gonna apply right now, show you step by step. Okay, so click apply now. You'll meet this page with a very colorful graphic. It's really different back in my days. There's no graphic, it's very simple. I did sign up for the monetization. That time you only need to reach like 10,000 views and you can get monetized. It was easy back in those days, but now it's a little bit different. So first step, review the partner program term. It's like a contract, it's a policy, so you have to read through step by step. As you can see, review your YouTube partner program terms. You have to read through everything. Make sure that you don't mislook anything, you don't break any law or their rules. So read through and you click accept. Okay, once you click accept, you can accept the terms. Make sure that your home country and or territory is correct. I live in Malaysia, so I click Malaysia. This is very important. Yeah. So don't simply change your country. If you live in Malaysia, you click Malaysia. If you live in USA, then you click USA. Okay, let's click accept term. We'll wait for it. My internet speed is a bit slow. Because I already had my Google AdSense account, so they immediately skip the process. I already linked it like many years ago, so I cannot show you that. If you haven't created your own Google AdSense account, it will show you a tab. You can click no, I don't have Google AdSense account, and will ask you to create right now, immediately. So for me, I already linked it. I had my Google AdSense account many years ago, so it's straight away skip that step 2, and right now step 3 in progress. Will get reviewed by them, by the YouTube people. You know, this one I don't know when I'm gonna get monetized. It could be a day, it could be a week or months. Yeah, I watch many YouTubers videos talking about this. Some of them got monetized within 2 days, some of them within 24 hours, some of them weeks, some of them months. Yeah, so I don't know, it depends.
48 hours later.
After just 2 days, I got the notification saying here, congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. You can now monetize your videos and access support. Finally, I got monetized. Finally. So for the first time you got this monetization, we show you the important notification welcoming you, get all the access. You can click learn more, and yeah, this is all the FAQs and this and that. So now I can just go to content. Oh yeah, actually I can just click the first one, monetize videos, and we'll straight go to the set monetization preference. So you don't need like click one by one. Finally, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna click all, turn on everything, monetize all, and apply, and that's it. Wait, updating. yeah, so that's the updates. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to click thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Share it to your friends and family, comment down the comment section below, and buy me a coffee if you want to support this channel. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.